Hello there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error code 1 if it ever appears while you're trying to use Stable Diffusion. This error can occur if your Python isn't up to date. To fix it, start by uninstalling Python and pip. Go to your control panel and search for Programs and Features, and click on Uninstall a program. Find Python and pip in the list, then uninstall both of them. Next, head to your browser and search for Python download. Download the latest version of Python from the official website and follow the installation steps provided during the setup. Now, you'll need to reinstall pip. You can download pip either from your Google or directly from CMD. To do it from CMD, open it as an administrator and pass the following command, which is python ensure pip upgrade. Hit enter and CMD will download and install pip for you. After installing pip, it's important to verify that everything is set to correctly. Pass this command in CMD to check if pip is installed properly. Pip version. This command will confirm the installation and show you the available pip or pip commands. Finally, make sure your Windows is up to date. Go to the Start menu, type Updates, and then click on Check for updates. If there are any pending updates, install them and then try running Stable Diffusion again. That's it. Hopefully this helps you fix error code 1 on Stable Diffusion. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.